on this, my third trip to Ukraine. I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite places on the planet. It's a training center. It's a vocational school for children. St. John Bosco.
Well, here we are in the kitchen. This is the man. We want him to pray for power. Say a prayer for power. The prayer worked. So, the last time we were here, we made a list of what they needed here. It's a vocational training school where kids can choose several different disciplines. It's, of course, where they pray. It's their home, it's their school. And the last time we were here, Father Anbari told me that he needed a ventilation system, and the power kept going out during our cooking demo. So we've upgraded the power at each station. I mean, that when the power's on. When the country has power, we've upgraded the stations so that hopefully they will stay on for us. And we put in all of these systems. And my friend Michael Chaffee bought this AV equipment so they can do long distance learning here. That's my friend Noah. He came to hang out. Giancarlo is going to teach a chocolate cake today. And yeah, that brings you up to speed.
Today's meal is beef borscht, a Ukrainian tradition. And for most of the kids, it was the first time they had ever made it in their lives.
So this is Noah.
Hi guys.
I'm Rachel.
Yeah, Rachael.
Noah is going to show you how to slice your meat for the beef borscht. We're just making a simple classic beef borscht.
Ну і покажу вам, як правильно порізати яловичину для того, щоб приготувати борщ. І ми просто будемо готувати простий борщ.
Pick up your meat. You want to see where the strands are looking, and you want to cut it on the opposite. So I'm going to literally cut real thin slices. Just trying to brown it and get color on it. It's going to go in the soup, so you want to get some mild reaction. Whenever you get it nice and brown, pull it off, set it to the side or underneath the metal table.
Okay, when you're ready to start your vegetables, we want to take the carrots, cut them in half first so that they will sit flat, and then cut them in half again like this.
А потім поріжте знову наполовину.
And then we slice the carrot. As you're chopping the vegetables, you can add them to your pot. The celery is much simpler. You just take the celery all together and slice it. With the onion, you cut in half first, right? So it's flat.
Yep.
Okay. And then we take off just the outer skin.
Yep.
You're going to make 4 cuts. Okay. Then turn sideways
Yeah.
and chop. Carrot, celery, onion. They each have 2 bay leaves. Boop. And then for the garlic, okay? For each beet, you slice it this way and then like this.
Yeah, perfect.
Cabbage is next. So, cut on an angle, like this, okay? And then thinly slice. Okay?
Okay.
And then add to the pot. Add all of this, cumin and coriander, all of it,
Cumin, coriander. Okay.
the whole thing. And then we're gonna add all of our beef broth, sugar, tomato sauce. We need to put the lid on so it'll come up to a boil. This cooks 45 minutes at a boil, and then we add the potatoes, and it cooks 15 minutes more.